lesson 3.3, day 2. That's the homework that goes with it. Here is last night's answers. You can pause and check. All right. This part of the lesson is not in your notes. And this is really the first time you are going to see something like this. This is really transforming a formula. It's a formula has usually more than one variable in it. Okay? But the steps for doing this are going to be exactly the same as solving equations. But the answers are just like x equals 10, okay? Because we have multiple variables. So, write down this first formula. P equals 2L plus 2W. I used a capital L here. This is not in your notes. You need to write this on a piece of paper. That is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle. 2 times the length plus 2 times the width equals the perimeter. And the directions say solve for W. Now, I'm not going to get an answer like W is 12. My problem has multiple variables in it. So, make sure your L is either a cursive L or an uppercase L, because if you don't, it's going to look like a 1, and then you're going to be super confused. So, if I want to solve for W, just like solving a regular equation, wouldn't I need to take this 2W and, this 2L and move it to the other side? Because don't I want to get W alone? So look at this side. If I want to chip away from this right side, wouldn't I move the 2L over here first? How do I do that? How do I move 2L to the other side so I can get W alone? Yes, subtract 2L from both sides. Now, on this left side, P minus 2L is exactly that. P minus 2L. You're not going to get like 18, because we don't know what P is and what L is. It's P minus 2L equals 2W. Justin, you writing this down? Do you guys see how I moved 2L over the other side? Well, what do I need to finish doing to get W alone, Charlie? Yeah, watch how I'm going to do this. Divide this side by 2. Divide that entire side by 2. So, I've got P minus 2L divided by 2 equals W, and I'm done. That's my answer. Now, the other way I could write this if I wanted to, I could break this up into P divided by 2 minus 2L divided by 2. Because aren't I dividing this whole thing by 2? Which, if I clean this up a little more, I'd have P divided by 2 minus L equals W. Because 2 divided by 2 is 1. This and this are exactly the same thing. Do you see that? All right. Write down this problem. Y equals 2x minus 10. Y equals 2x minus 10. All right. Directions say solve for x. So I want to get x alone. What should I do here first? Ashley. I have 10 on those sides. So on my left side, y plus 10 is y plus 10. Because they're not like terms, I can't add them. Y plus 10 equals 2x. How do I finish solving for x? Casey? Divide both sides by 2, which is going to give me x equals, I can leave my answer written like that. Or I can write this as two fractions. Y divided by 2 plus 10 divided by 2, which would clean up to be y divided by 2 plus 5. Both of these things are the same. Do you see that? I'm going to make up another one. I'm just making this up. This formula means nothing except in Terezi's little pea brain. Okay? B equals A C over X. And I want to solve for A. Write that down. B equals AC over X. And I want to solve for A. So that means I need to get A alone. Well, look on the side with the A. What letter is farthest from the A on that side? Thomas. The X. How do I move the X to the other side, Thomas? Multiply by X. So on this side, we're going to just have BX, because B times X is BX, equals, on this side, X divided by X is 1. I'm left with AC. Now, I want to solve for A. So what do I do to both sides to get A alone? So I have A equals BX over C. This is called transforming formulas. What if I gave you this one? A equals 1/2 BH. First of all, anybody know what that is? That's the formula for the area of a triangle. The area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Are you writing this all down, Dustin? We want to solve this for H. Oh my. We want to get H alone. How can I move this 1/2 over to the other side? There's two things that I can do. H. Yes, Paige, gold star. I thought Paige was going to say divide by 1/2. But isn't dividing by 1/2 the same as multiplying by the reciprocal? So we're going to multiply by 2. Multiply both sides by 2. So let's see what happens here. On this side, when I have 2A equals 1/2 times 2 is 1, so I'm left with BH. We're getting close. How do I get H alone? Let's see. Divide both sides by 2. So I have H equals 2A over B. Done. Question. I don't think that this is something that is super challenging, but I think that you need to think. And it looks weird because there's a bunch of variables. All right. Let's do this problem. Is this in your notes? It's not. I'm going to pause this. I want you to actually do this problem. It's not in your notes. What we're looking for in this problem is the cost of one CD. So I always start by defining my variables. Let X equal the cost of one CD. Now, we've got two people, Gabriella and Min, and we want to know, they both spent the same amount of money. Gabriella bought a school supplies for 48 and a jacket for 56 and 3 CDs. And they're X dollars each. This is how much Gabriella spent. School supplies, jacket, 3 CDs. guys, but he bought 11 CDs. And they said they spent the same amount. So here's Gabriella's amount, here's Min's amount. Now, what is throwing some of you guys off the edge is this. First of all, simplify both sides. I think you get 104 here, plus 3x equals 11x. Now, my friends, on this side, don't we only have a variable? So, does it make more sense to bring this 3x to the right or bring this 11x to the left? Yeah, bring the 3x to the right. Because if you bring, I'll show you how to do it both ways. Subtract 3x from both sides. So you have 104 equals 8x. Divide both sides by 8. X is 13 and $13 per CD. But, let me show you this. Because at some point you'll probably do this. Okay, I'm going back to this line right here. There are only variables on this right side. So I would bring the variable over there. But let's pretend you do it the other way. Watch this. What if you decide to subtract 11x from both sides? On this side, you will have 104. 3x minus 11x is negative 8x equals, what do you have left on this side? 0. Now, how do I solve this? I have to subtract 104 from both sides. So I'm going to have negative 8x equals negative 104. Divide both sides by negative 8. X is $13 per CD. You get the same thing, but it's a lot more complicated going this way. All right, let me get rid of this.